cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, Big Mac Whopper, Big Mac, Big Mac.
Okay, so the ingredients we will need are some hamburger buns, some lettuce, got your salt, your pepper, some cheese.
Where's the beef? To prepare, get your cheese and make sure you have the buns and your beef. Ryan, why are you coming through the window?
Oh, I couldn't find the door.
It's right there.
Well, I'm here.
Okay, so you want to scoop some meat, and then you want to form it into a slightly larger golf ball, like this.
Alright, now you want to season your meat. A pinch of salt on each little bit. And don't forget pepper. You only want to get one side because they're thin.
In order for your meat not to stick to the pan, you can add some olive oil.
Take your meatball, place it on the skillet, and smash it down.
While the patties are still hot, put on your cheese so they can melt a little bit from the heat, from the residual heat of the meat. Get a piece of lettuce for this size and put it in half so it fits well on the bun, like so. And I'll put on a patty, and even if you want, you can put on two, one, two, bam. And then sauce if you want, or onions, or tomatoes, whatever you want. Just slap your toppings on there as you'd like. And then there you go. Smash burger. Yeah. Fun fact alert, there are almost 6,000 tigers being kept as pets in the United States. Fun fact alert number 2, a group of rhinos is called a crash.
Cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, Big Mac Whopper, Big Mac, Big
So
Mac.
I'm lounging around with my crew just chilling. I'm wearing black and white, but I ain't no villain. And all of a sudden I get this rumbling feeling.